Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence, today we are going to discuss about 14th question. What is mean by immutable? What is mean by immutable object? What is mean by mutable object? Once if we are creating any object, if we are trying to perform any modifications, it is accepting that modifications. With those modifications, new object want to be created, right? That concept is called as what? Mutable. Immutable means what? Once if an object got created, and we are trying to perform any modifications on that object, it won't accept, okay, it won't accept those modifications. With that modifications, a new object will be created in the old object. In the old object the content won't be updated. Very, very important. I can say modifications are not allowed. It won't entertain modifications. Examples for such a type of objects are, we can say integer object, we can say string object. These are nothing but what? Immutable object. Let me show you practically with the help of one simple example. Mutable means what? Which is accepting the modifications. Immutable means what? Which is not accepting the modifications. We will see example for these immutable objects. Very simple. Assume I am taking string s is equal to something like I am taking Prakash. I'm trying to print the content. What output it is going to print? We know very well. It is trying to print the content called Prakash. If you want, you can see the content of the string got printed here. Now, listen carefully, friends. S dot upper. You know very well in Python, there is one special method is there with name upper, applicable only for string objects. When you are trying to apply this, what will happen? The content whatever you have given in the string, it will be converted into uppercase. After this, we are trying to print the value of s. So generally, what output we are expecting? The characters which is present in the string, like the word Prakash, should be converted into uppercase, right? But you can see the output, it is displaying in the lower case. Means what? String object is which type of object? Immutable. So if you want, I will show with the help of diagram. You can see. In this case, what is happening? One string object got created here. The name of the string is nothing but yes. Assume the content is nothing but, just for your understanding purpose, I have taken ABC. When you are trying to do any modifications, it is not accepting. So what will happen? With that modifications, a new nameless object will be created with content ABC. So this is nothing but the problem with immutability nature. Whatever updates that you want to do, it won't entertain in the same object. With those modifications, a new object will be created. Okay. So to provide security, okay, shareability for all these principles, we are going to have objects in two different forms: mutable, immutable. Not only in Python, in every programming language, we have this scenario. And one more important question is there, like why increment and decrement operators are not there in Python? The simple reason for that is nothing but what? This immutable, mutable only. In the next video, we will discuss about that. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. I hope you understood the scenario. Okay. Thank you, guys.